It's a really exciting story to think that my father could take just an idea in a little town of Logan, Utah, start with a few fun little rides and concepts, and now turn into a multi-million-dollar international entity.
To date, one of our most recognizable sites is on top of the stratosphere in Las Vegas.
You look at the U.S. economy and it's so teeny compared to these emerging countries. In China, the amusement parks are popping up like dandelions all over the country. Exporting saved our company.
We have probably in excess of 400 rides in 30 countries around the world. Our market is worldwide. Every country wants to entertain people.
We contacted the State Department a number of years ago. Our local rep, or the rep we've worked with, David Fiscus, came up here, gave us a small presentation on different things we could do for exporting, different opportunities and different tools that were available to us.
What we require a buyer of our product to do, if they are not willing to make progress payments, we require them to put up a letter of credit against that ride that has various release points for payments. S&S is recognized as one of the 3 largest coaster amusement ride manufacturers in the world.
As a matter of fact, we have rides on every continent in the world except for Antarctica.
You got to step out of the comfort zone of working with people in your own country.
Definitely utilize the resources that are out there. The State Department, with what they've got people in country as well as here in the United States, so that makes things a lot easier. Once you get going, those tasks, those issues that seem so daunting and overwhelming really become minor compared to the benefits and the rewards for doing proper exporting.
It's not that big of a deal to work in a foreign country. We would have all been looking for other jobs in other companies if we hadn't really opened up our market.
I would encourage everyone, it's not as bad as it seems, it's not as frightening as you may think. If you have a product, you have the ability to export. By all means, learn different cultures, learn how to deal internationally, and it's not as bad as you may think.
It not only saved us, but now I see a much brighter future as we're getting our foot in the door in other big countries. That's our exporting story. Where's your next customer going to come from?